See that? Crazy. Why didn't you lay that over there in your nest box? He's got this egg out of the nest box. It's a normal egg. And her egg. Hey girl. Oh, I don't see this funky egg. There's the normal egg. There's the funky egg. It's like super funky. So I press on it. It's like jelly.
Got an egg without its shell. Feels really weird.
Ew. So let's see the normal egg. Got the shell. And that's like the membrane under the shell, but it didn't get a shell. Ew. Did you feel it, Violet? Feel it. Feel it.
It's okay. It's just weird.
Feel it.
It's like this egg.
It's cool.
Feel this egg. Feel it. Feel it. Feel that egg and then feel this egg. I don't like that. It's like.
Alright, so we got this new chicken feed on the internet, and it says guaranteed to hard boil your eggs as they're laid. Oh man, this stuff is gonna be amazing. My wife's gonna be so happy, she's never gonna have to hard boil eggs again. Let's give this stuff a try, see how it works. So they seem to be having a reaction to this feed. What is going on with this chicken? Whoa, whoa! She's gonna burn the tree down. Oh no, not again. Ugh, oh, oh my, oh. Why does this chicken have fire shooting out of its... Alright, so this feed is just not working out. It just seems to be burning the shell right off the egg, and not to mention the whole, you know, fire thing going on. So I'm kind of curious to see what this has got in it. I mean, it said it was organic. So let me see what the ingredients are. Its first ingredient says habanero pepper. Okay. Second ingredient says ghost pepper. Oh, okay. And then third ingredient is chili pepper. Okay. All right. I don't recommend anybody use this stuff. This stuff is garbage. We just need to get rid of that stuff. I don't know. I hope none of y'all have had some of the same experiences that we have. It's been pretty ghastly, I'll tell you. What is? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!